just toss it.
Ready?
He jumps in the air to get it.
Oh yeah, you should get him jumping in the air to get it.
Yeah, he like does a hop.
Bring it back.
Oh my
Ready?
god, I just can't believe it's really doing that.
Oh, I'm sorry. He'll find it.
Oh, you got it.
No, he'll find it. I told you. Drop it. Good boy. He's a hunter.
Oh my god, that's funny. He doesn't want it back.
All right. Can I have it? All right, ready? We're going to jump in the air. Good boy. I can't reach it all the way over there.
Yeah.
Ready?
You could get him to do that if you practice it. Oh, that was a good one.
He usually does with, he was catching with Josh the other day. No, not in the basket. Bring it back. Ready?
My cat uses a laser, but I think I'll do that.
Almost.
You got it.
What a good kitty. One more. Ready? What a good kitty.